welcome back to my channel. It's Adrianne. So today's video is going to be, let me take these gloves off first off. Today's video is going to be a hair routine, basically me trying out some combos and seeing if it works. If it does, then yay. If it doesn't, then you guys know not to try this on your hair. So I already have washed and conditioned my hair and deep conditioned it, so I'm going to just I just recently colored my hair too today. I put a rinse in it, so just to make my red a little bit more vibrant. So yeah, we're gonna go ahead and part my hair. You guys know if my makeup looks like all streaky, it's because I had on makeup and water ran across my face, so we're just gonna roll with it today, okay? So before I section my hair off, I'm going to, my combo that I'm going to use today, I've never used a hair butter as a leave-in slash styler, so I'm going to be using the Maui Moisture's vanilla bean hair butter. This is for frizzy, unruly hair. This is to defrizz, mend, and restore. So I was reading the directions on it, and it can be used as a deep conditioner or a styler. So I'm going to be using it today as a styler. I've never used, again, a thick cream as a leave-in, but we're going to do that today. But first I'm going to go in with some Jamaican black castor oil as I am water. Wait, as I am restore repair Jamaican black castor oil water. And I'm going to just kind of re-dampen my hair up with this. You guys know I like my wash and goes. This smells good. My wash and goes to be on soaking wet hair, but it's not going to be soaking wet because I'm not in the shower. But I'm going to just take that and then apply a good amount of this hair butter to my hair as my leave-in. This smells so good. It smells sweet. Vanilla bean. Smells delicious, like I could eat it as a dessert. So after you do that, I'm going to apply some oil to my hair. I did this a while back. Matter of fact, that was my last video before I went MIA on YouTube. I started using oils to seal in my hair, and it actually worked pretty good on a wash and go. So I'll just put a little bit in my hair, and I'm going to just section my hair off. And therefore, whenever I go back to my styler, my hair already be prepped, waiting for my waiting for my styler. So I'm gonna go ahead and do this all around my hair. Alright, so now that I have my leave-in, my cream, what is this? My Jamaican black castor oil water, my leave-in, my hair butter as a leave-in, and then I put in my oil to seal in all of that moisture. I just used the African Pride 5 essential oils, castor, grapeseed, argan, coconut, and olive oil. I just use a little bit of this because this is more of a thicker oil, and I don't want my hair to be too heavy, but I want it to be sealed, so I did that. And today for my styler, for my styler, I'm going to be using the Eco Styler green olive oil line. I've used this before in the past and I liked it a lot. Between this one and the black top is my favorite, so I just chose to use this one today just to switch it up, you know, a little bit. So now that my hair is prepped and ready, it's ready for my styler to go on. So you guys can just watch me, you know, do my wash and goes. My wash and go routines is pretty much always the same. My hair feels really good. It does feel really good. I watched somebody's YouTube video a while back, and she was doing her hair that way. She put in her leave-ins first and let that set in, then went in with a style, and her wash and go was like so pretty. So I'm just trying this new method and seeing how it works for me. I'm gonna take about that much of the gel and just smooth it through my hair. Like I said, you guys have seen me do wash and goes plenty of time because that's like my #1 hairstyle that I do. It's just so easy, and I just literally last a week instead of having to twist my hair up and doing all that. But that's my signature hairstyle. So I'm gonna stop rambling and just let y'all guys watch. guys, so I finished my hair and this is what it looks like. I'm gonna try to do a 360 without, let me move my table back. How about that? I can do a 360. So this is my hair, what it looks like in the back and the sides. And yeah, it feels really, really good. I like the fact that it does not have that white cast over it. So that tells me that these products work very well together. So I'm hoping for the best results. We'll see. Of course, you know, this is all different lines that I'm using. Eco, Maui, African Pride, As I Am. So I'm gonna see if these all work together and be a killer combo for my hair. I will let you guys know, and I will see you guys probably tomorrow. I'm gonna go ahead and let it air dry. It's 6 o'clock, so it's a little late. I'm gonna let it air dry till about 8 if I did send it a hair dryer or blow dry it. I always do that. I always diffuse my hair anyways, and then I'll come back and show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow. So stay tuned. Alright guys, so my hair is completely dried and it looks good, it feels good, it feels moisturized. I like the way it feels. So I sat on a hooded dry for about 30 to 45 minutes, and then I took a diffuser and just kind of diffused the bottom of it because the bottom parts were still wet. And then of course I stretched it with the blow dryer, so you know it was of course all shrunken up, but I stretched it. So now I'm going to go ahead and band it. I'm going to show you guys my nighttime routine. You guys will probably already know this, how I band my hair, but I'm gonna just throw this in the video. It depends on where my hair is parted at, is how I will band it. So since I have a side part right here, I'm gonna just do the side part all the way down the middle, because that's how I style my hair, so it's easier just to divide it that way. And I want to just take it and pull it taut straight. Take a satin hair tie. I ordered these off of Amazon. And go twice around. And then I usually take a, well, not that long. I just take like this size of one, and I just kind of go down the length of my hair, making sure I leave the ends loose just to stretch my hair, and that's how I'll go to bed. So I'm gonna do this side. Alright, so this is how I'm going to go to bed tonight. Put on my satin bonnet and call it a night. So I'll show you guys what my hair looks like tomorrow. But so far, I think that this hair cocktail is a good match, a good pair. So we'll see how it looks, the end result. So this is what my hair looks like, you know, day one. It looks really good. I can see my hair, you know, just getting bigger and prettier from here. Like I said, it does feel super moisturized and defined. I am absolutely in love, and it has a great definition and great shine. So yeah, if you guys try this cocktail, let me know. I say yes to all of these products. They work very well together. My hair didn't take long to dry. So yeah, that's it. Instead of me keep rambling on about how much I like my hair, let me know what your thoughts are down below in the description, in the comment box. Check the description box for a list of details of the items that I use and any other things that I write down there. Just check the description box down below. Leave me a comment, like this video. Don't forget to comment, rate, subscribe, all of that good stuff. And I will check you guys out in my next video. Bye.